Hello everyone, welcome back to Developers and Coders Club and NIT Agartala's YouTube channel. Today we will discuss Codechef Contest 115 Problem C Christmas Tree. So in the given problem, it has shown that there is a Christmas tree and we have to make it beautiful. Now there are two ways by which we can do it. First one is we can decorate the leaf by using one large ornament and three small ornaments, or in the second case we can use two large ornaments. So here is three integers. First one is x, which represent number of large ornaments. Second one is y, which represent number of small ornament, and there is n, which represent number of leaves. Now let's jump into the first input. Wait a second. So the first input is 4, 6 and 6, where n is 4, x is 6 and y is also 6. So we will take two cases. In the first test case, we will see that there is two leaves and we will decorate these two leaves with twice the value of x, which will give us the first desired value. Now we are left with two leaves and 2x and 6y. Now we will just distribute equally these two leaves with 1x and 3y, which will fulfill our second condition. So in this way we will decorate these four leaves and it will give the output yes. Now in the second case we can see that there is 4, 5 and 5, 4, 6 and 5. Now in this example the value of y is 5, so we will not be able to decorate these leaves because we have seen in the above example that at least we need 6 small ornaments to decorate the leaves. So till now what we have seen, so let me take you one more example, then it will be more clear. So in that fourth test case we can see that the value of n is 3 and the value of x is 6 and the value of y is 1. So here the value of x is twice the value of y, the twice the value of n. So we can easily decorate these three leaves by using 2x ornaments in each leaf. So we can conclude one thing, that if there is number of large ornaments is either greater than or equal to twice the number of leaves, we can easily decorate each leaf with 2x. So the output will be yes in this case. And in other cases we can just make more and more examples, like we can decorate some leaves with 2x and some leaves with x plus 3y. So for that we will take minimum of x or y by 3. Why I am taking here y by 3? Because it is given in the question that we can at least have 3 y ornaments in each leaf. So we will just take the minimum value of x or y by 3 and just check the value of x respectively. Now I will take the same example for n equal to 4, x equal to 6 and y equal to 6. First we will declare count equal to 0 at initial phase. Now we will just take the minimum of x and y by 3, and in this case this minimum value will be 2. Now we will just add this value in the count. So it will give the value of count to 2. Now we will subtract this value of count into x, which will give the value of x to be 4. And why we are subtracting the value of count in x? Because how we will know that how many leaves are left which we can redistribute equally into x and 3 is to y. So let me take you there, then you will understand. So here in this case we are just subtracting 6 minus 2 into 2, which means that we are using 2x leaves. How many times we will only get to know by using the value of count. So in this case the value of count is 2, so we will use that much number of leaves to be in the second case, which is the number of twice the number of x, which is the large ornament. Now we will just subtract the value of this count from x. Now the value of x which will be remain will be 4. Now we will just add this value of x, which is 4, and the value of count, which is 2. So the new value of count will be 6. Now we will just check that the value of count is greater than equal to number of leaves or not. It is, if it is greater than or equal to the number of leaves, we will just see out yes, else we will see out no. So let me go through code now. So this is the code for the given problem. We will just take three integers n, x and y, and we will just count the value 0, Now we will check that if the value of y is greater than or equal to 3, we will just add the value of count into minimum of x and y by 3, and if it is so, then this loop will be over, and we will just check that the value of count is greater than n or not. If it is so, then we will just see out yes, else no. Thank you.